this is always a question that people want to ask, and sometimes they don't. What are the hot classes out there? I can tell you what's on my desk. I know it's going to be on my desk when I get back. Safety consultants is a big one. Again, the design build type of either consulting, whether it's interior design or A&E. Employment agencies is big, and anything in that digital marketing. Digital marketing is that hot term. And that is like one out of every 4 accounts I look at seems to be involved in some capacity in marketing or advertising or search engine optimization or something, influencer marketing. Everything seems to be, media based, but there's a professional service behind the media. So those are the type of things that I'm seeing. Again, employment agencies are always a big one. Tech is still big. You have your traditional, property manager, real estate, which CID is great for. Tech continues to expand. So those are the things that I guarantee when I get back to my desk, I'm going to have a litany of accounts to go through that are those exposures. I will also tell you that, and I mentioned this in the beginning, I'm seeing all types of exposures all over the place. And what it's really doing is challenging miscellaneous professional underwriters like myself to determine, hey, is this something that can be covered? Is there a professional service? And how much should we charge? And that's happening every day because it is contractually based. So feel free to shoot those questions to Lexi. Feel free to shoot them in, and she can get me involved or any of her underwriters involved to see whether there is a marketplace for that. CID has a ton of markets that they can go to for all types of exposure. So just, feel free to use them as your resource. The last thing I will say, and then I'll wrap this up, is the great thing about professional liability, I continue to say, is contractually required. And what's good about being contractually required is that not only do you quote things because it's contractually required, you bind. Our bind ratios are through the roof because they need this coverage. And not only do they need it for an extended period of time, not only as they're performing the services, but since it's claims made after the fact. So many of these contracts say you need professional liability today, and that policy needs to be enforced for 3 years after the project. Hey, that's great. So what that means is high retentions. I know our E&O products at USLI retain at between 85 to 90% across the board, which is phenomenal. And it's probably as high as it's ever been. So once you get the E&O policy on the books, it's just like, I'm not gonna say free money, but it's actually, commission earned for 3 or 4 years just for getting that policy on the books. And it's gonna grow. So that commission you earn today will most likely be more, next year, the year after, the year after. So, and there you have it. There is E&O at a basic level.